What's up, guys? It's that Dividend guy. Happy Monday. Hopefully everybody had a great trading day. I know it's a little later than I normally record. Sorry, I kind of forgot throughout the day. And then I went over to my friends for Monday Night Raw and realized that it was 10:30 and I hadn't recorded yet. So here we go, right? So today we did pretty good. We ended up over 17k. We made about $42 today. For the week, we're up 159. For the month, we're up 95. The 3 month mark, we're up 2100. On the year, we're up 20, almost 27. And all time, we're still up over 2400. So that's still a 17% increase over the past year. So that's great. Or since April 18th, so a little over a year and a few months. So it's not bad. Let's go ahead and look at the individual stocks, see how they performed today. Altria Group was up 46 bucks. Total, we're up $527, so 11% on those 98 shares, which remember I did just reinvest that dividend that they paid me into them. So that's awesome. Coca-Cola, 17 shares. We're up 10 bucks today, up 85 total on 9.8% return. AT&T, 62 shares. We're down 26 bucks, which is great news because I really want that to drop down close to my $31 before I reinvest. Total is $437. We're up 22% on that one position. AbbVie, we are up 240 today, up over $1,000, a 23% return on those AbbVie shares. Next, SKT. Remember, I did reinvest 2 shares. I bought 2 shares of them with the Altria dividend, and I'm at 15 cents, up 343 for the total. WBA, we only have 1 share at 54.60, and we are down, which is great. I love this. Is one of the first times it's ever actually been down. We're down 16 cents today, 54 cents, almost a percent down, but that's fine. And then we have ExxonMobil, which we have 29 shares. We're up 18 bucks today, down 107 or 5.05%. So I believe that is everybody. Nope, Target. Forgot Target, my bad. And then Target, we have 10 shares at $87. We're down 860 and we're up 361.92. So we're up 41% on AT&T. So that's phenomenal. I have not added anything to the watch list. Actually, that's not true. I did add Verizon because I also wanted more telecom in my portfolio. So I will be adding Verizon eventually. So my bad. Didn't mean to lie. I was just scrolling through and I was like, oh, I added Verizon and then Disney, but Disney's been on there for a while. So um, I think I might have told you guys about. Think I might have told you guys about that in a different video. But if not, I did add Disney as well. I just got to do it. I own Disney Plus. I love their brand product and all their different diversified investments that they have. So I did add Verizon and Disney. So that is the day, and on the day we are up, so I'm in a great mood. Not because I'm up, but I had a great day. So thank you guys so much for watching. We ended up over 17k. We beat that threshold. We're above it, which is phenomenal. I will be posting a video tomorrow, a little bit earlier than I did today. So remember to hit the subscribe button, and when you do that, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. I post dividend investing video and updates on my portfolio Monday through Friday, and I do try to get more content out on the weekends, but I'm not guaranteeing that because that's kind of my free days to just kind of chill and kind of be with friends and stuff like that, friends and family. So those are my recoup days. So I might do a video on weekends. If I do, then it's just extra views and more comments and interaction, which is great. But I'm not gonna hold myself to weekend investing, weekend recording, just because it kind of gives me a little bit of a breather throughout the week. So after the week. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, subscribe and keep your eyes peeled. We hit 17k and we're above it, so let's hope we stay above that threshold. Remember, posting a new video tomorrow. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new dividend investing video. Take care.